Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another high paying work from home job lead for you that requires absolutely no college degree. I posted a different, executive assistant type job a few days ago, and some of you really enjoy those types of jobs. So today we have the well known food delivery company DoorDash. They are hiring an executive assistant. Now, this is remote within the United States, so this is completely non-phone, and best thing of all, no having to drive around and deliver food. You can sit in your house in your pajamas. But they are basically looking for someone to support their people team leaders and be the go-to person for calendar management, team building activities, and project management. You'll help keep the teams organized and efficient by moving any conflicts and enabling their leaders to make an impact. You'll promote team culture and cohesion. You'll plan and execute meetings and events for the team. You'll manage multiple products simultaneously, and you'll handle highly confidential information. So just what a normal executive assistant does. You do all the administrative work for the assistants, like scheduling meetings on their calendars, keeping their calendars up to date so they don't have conflicting meetings, all of those things. Now, best part about this job is they require no college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 4 to 6 years in some type of administrative role. So you don't even have to have experience as an executive assistant, just some type of administrative work. Of course, you have to have great written and verbal communication skills. You need to enjoy problem solving and diagnosing issues and coming up with creative solutions. Now, they want you to be flexible to shifting priorities, so be able to multitask and change direction with your work duties if something important comes up. They also want you to have great attention to detail. Now, as far as pay goes, they're paying very well for this position. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but the pay ranges that they have listed go anywhere from $78,000 a year all the way up to $124,000 a year. Of course, they include the standard benefit package that includes health benefits, 401k, paid time off, all the things. If you're interested in putting that application in, of course, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. All right, if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.